Have a Java source code file you need to view, edit, or compile. This is a Java programming language source file used worldwide. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening, editing, and compiling these Java source code files. Note on preparation: make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the JVA file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. JAVA files are Java source code files containing program code written in the Java programming language. They are compiled by the Java compiler javac into bytecode class files that run on the Java Virtual Machine JVM, enabling cross-platform application development for desktop, server, mobile, and embedded systems worldwide. Java JAVA source files use plain text encoding, typically UTF-8 with Java syntax, including class declarations, method definitions, imports, and statements. The format follows the Java Language Specification with strict syntax rules for valid code structure, including package declarations, import statements, class members, and executable code blocks. Windows often defaults to associating JAVA with the Microsoft Notepad solution from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows exposes the file's code but relies on specialized tools for actual interpretation. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your JAVA file, then click Open With. Test Microsoft Notepad if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If your JAVA file will not open, do not worry. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your JAVA file. First, opening in text editor. Open Java files in any text editor like Notepad++, Sublime Text, or VS Code, which provides syntax highlighting for Java code. These editors offer basic editing capability for viewing and modifying source code without full development environment overhead, suitable for quick code review and minor modifications. Next, editing in IDEs. Use professional Java IDEs like IntelliJ, IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans for full Java development functionality. These applications provide code completion, debugging, refactoring tools, build management, and project organization features essential for serious Java development, including support for popular frameworks like Spring and Hibernate. Finally, compiling and running. Compile Java files using the JDK Java Development Kit by running javac file name .java, which generates a class file. Run the compiled program with Java class name. Install the JDK from Oracle, or use OpenJDK distributions for the necessary compilation and runtime tools on your system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.